How we doing, guys? Yesterday I was out at Drift Masters at Willowbank Raceway supporting the Exidy Drift team, as well as Cosmos wheels there as well. We had our own booth set up with my 350Z underneath it. It was an awesome day out. I didn't take too much footage because I just wanted to put my phone away and really enjoy the day. But Carlo from CSR Performance ended up taking some sweet videos and making a really cool montage, so I'll drop that here. So as you just saw from the video there was the Exidy Drift Rod, which was built by Darryl Clark and Levi Clark, who's actually one of the drivers there for Exidy, and he ended up winning yesterday. And one of my goals is actually to be out there next to him in either the 180sx or the 350Z. So there's only one way to make that happen, and that's to get this build underway. So let's dive straight into this video, which is going to be installing the GKTech Polyurethane Engine Mount bushings. So this here is the factory engine mount, and to remove that there's an upper nut and a lower nut which you need to undo. The upper one is just in there, right there, and the lower one is right there. I don't know if you can really see that, but it's that nut just there. Okay, I'm just going to show you guys how in the world I managed to get this one. It's right down there. I don't know if you can see it, but this is how I got it. I put the end of my spanner onto the nut, and then I grabbed a pole that has an opening around that big, and then I slipped the pole down like that and on one tooth of the opened end spanner like that, and then I used the brake master cylinder as a leverage, and then I pushed against it, and then it just turned it. So yeah, that's how I did it. You guys probably could think of a different way, whatever works, but that's how I did it. So there you have it, that's the GKTech Polyurethane Engine Mount install. Nice quick little video. It only took probably 30 to 45 minutes. Next up we have the R33 drum handbrake setup install, so I'll see you guys in the next one.